1976 Porsche 912e Sunroof Coupe. Price: $56,500. Location: Los Angeles, California, USA. The 1976 Porsche 912e Sunroof Coupe is one of those rare classics that instantly captures the attention of collectors around the world. Built for only a single production year, the 912e represents a unique chapter in Porsche history, bridging the gap between the legendary 914 and the arrival of the 924. That alone makes this car incredibly desirable. But this particular example takes exclusivity to another level with its matching numbers drivetrain and stunning factory arrow blue paint. If you've never seen one in person, you're looking at one of the most overlooked investment-grade Porsches ever produced. The exterior perfectly showcases Porsche's timeless design philosophy. Finished in its original arrow blue color, code 305. This coupe looks elegant from every angle. The chrome trim sparkles beautifully against the blue bodywork, while the iconic Bosch headlights, factory sunroof, and classic Fuchs 16-inch wheels complete the unmistakable vintage Porsche appearance. Even after nearly 5 decades, the design remains fresh, balanced, and unmistakably German. This is the kind of sports car that attracts attention whether it's parked at a local Cars and Coffee event or cruising down a scenic coastal highway. The driving experience is where the Porsche 912e truly shines. Under the rear deck lid sits the reliable flat-4 engine paired with a precise 5-speed manual transmission. Instead of overwhelming horsepower, this Porsche delivers something enthusiasts value even more: balance, lightweight agility, and pure driver involvement. Every shift feels mechanical and satisfying, while the 4-wheel disc brakes inspire confidence in every corner. It's the kind of classic sports car that rewards skillful driving and reminds you why analog performance machines continue to be treasured by enthusiasts around the globe. The cabin reflects everything Porsche was known for during the 1970s: simplicity, functionality, and quality. Supportive bucket seats keep the driver comfortably in place, while the original VDO gauges provide clear information at a glance. The classic 3-spoke steering wheel feels perfectly sized in your hands, complemented by an analog clock, glove compartment, Sony radio, and fender-mounted antenna that blend vintage style with everyday usability. Every detail inside this car has a purpose, creating a cockpit designed entirely around the driving experience, rather than unnecessary distractions. The matching number status significantly enhances this Porsche's collectability, and its excellent mechanical condition means it isn't just a museum piece. It can be driven and enjoyed whenever the road calls. Included with the sale are the factory jack and spare tire, while fork and tires ensure the car is ready for its next adventure.